Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wheelfan here, and we got my other friend with 64 today, but it came on the radio saying he has to go 10 miles per hour. 10 miles per hour through a zone. But he seems to be picking up more speed right now. He probably had to go 10 miles per hour through the Cookville and the Wet Yard area. Here it goes. My other friend at the helm of 64 was 116. Back up, seems to be back up to regular speed after going 10 miles per hour through the Cookville and DeWitt Yard area. Because that's what I saw on the map. He had to go slow through that area for some reason in case they're doing work down there or something.